Now you gotta take your around the world, friend. I even put you first when you say you'll pay me back, no reimbursement. You love me, you got me, you wait for me. I call you my puppy, you cater to me. But misery loves company. All the thoughts want you and all the boys want me. You got me doing things that I wouldn't ever do. Breakfast in the morning. Hold on, sorry.